Don't come with the old rhythm them in a cause.
Don't it?
It's a Friday flashback.
Don't it? Just like that. Welcome
right.
to physics class. You ready for
Thank
physics?
you, sir.
The law, the law of inertia,
Yes.
also called Newton's first law, states that an object, listen now, an object will stay at rest unless an outside force acts upon it. So this morning, Sim and I will be testing this theory for this morning's fun stop when Nancy do some physics. It's been a while.
Well, I failed it repeatedly in school. Does that count?
Yeah, no, it counts. You did it. You did it. It's like riding a bicycle. You're gonna remember some of these things.
No.
Yeah, man, I remember, man.
No.
Believe me, no?
Some people can't ride bicycle, you know. They try and they drop off. That's me and physics.
All right, so what we've got here, a plate, toilet paper roll, a cup, a glass,
All right.
some water.
So let's give the instructions. You fill the glass with water. Our glass is not filled.
Yeah,
but glass says it will still work.
Right.
You place a pie pan or a plate right side up on top of the glass. Then you place toilet paper roll vertically in the middle of
Like
that
so,
plate.
right.
Then you balance the egg.
Get your egg.
Tap the toilet paper roll so the egg is lying hand to his side. Now,
yeah.
did you know the egg at the side? Of course the egg has
Other
it.
side.
Okay. Once everything is balanced on top of each other, with one swift and quick motion, hit the side of the pie pan with your hand.
Right.
It's a horizontal and not a vertical swing. This needs to be enough force to push it off the glass, and then watch in amazement as your egg falls into the glass, unbroken.
Yep, and that's exactly what's gonna happen.
I'm going to say you first.
Yeah, it's simple.
You know, men first.
It's pretty simple.
Wait, yeah.
So you get your hand behind the plate like so.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, Joe,
Yeah.
gotta talk up so Jody can hear.
Yep.
Use it.
Yeah, oh, use
no,
one
but think can. Come on,
I can use either.
Use my egg.
All right,
Or Jody want to see it.
Oh, she wants
Ready?
to watch everything. All right, cool. So from like about, I don't know, like 5-6 inches behind
Can
it.
you use this hand now?
Oh, I can do this. Oh, great. So let me just bring it a little more central so I don't knock everything onto the floor. And then all you do, Simone, is... That's it.
No, you make me excited. Watch me do this wrong now. From you know, your belly no bang.
There you go.
Oops, wrong stop.
Right.
So what you say now?
Yeah. There you go.
Just liquid the plate?
Yeah, man.
And the egg will drop in the water.
It will fall right in.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. It's not a trick.
Why is Harris laughing? Because they know everything I spoil.
You're hitting it like you're afraid of it. No.
I am. All right, come back.
No,
Come
let's,
back.
this one crack already. So,
Give it to me to mess it up. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna pretend it's somebody. I'm gonna lick it the way that I would. Ready?
come on. Boom! Up top. Up top.
Woo! That. Come here, you have too much mode. Come here. No, man, come here, man. Come over here.
Come, baby, come
over
try it,
here.
man. You can do it.
You talk.
You can do it.
You see?
One more I can fit in there, it's cool.
Come, penny section. Come
on,
here,
man.
penny section.
Come.
Talk. Penny section. Come here. You offset up, give peer comments.
It's not what it's supposed to fix.
Yeah,
Oh,
man, it's
because
fixed right,
I
man.
can't fix it,
You know,
no?
I'm going to intervene with it. You know this egg white Vinny in our porridge.
And the
What are
marker.
we doing? Hitting the plate?
Yeah, you just hit in the plate, but don't hit it like you kill a mosquito. Just boom.
Box the plate?
It's a nice
Swat
little-
it like
Yeah, it's a nice little swat.
somebody trouble you.
Boom!
Sure.
Hey!
Sure.
See that?
Sure.
See that?
It's the exit for me. It's the exit for me. Can you put more than one in there? One again. Tissue paper. Thank you, Shane. Shane never clap winner, but him clap Harris. All right. Can it hold another egg? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the World Championships. This is the egg drop.
Yeah, Jamaican egg drop.
Jamaican egg drop competition. Heat. Actually, these are the finals.
Yes,
Ready, Mark?
for the gold. Simone Clark Cooper stands ready.
Pull the cork.
Oh!
Watch out, the
Oh!
glass all tilting on,
Hey,
and then
no,
you just say,
but Simone.
kind of.
No, but I want to know why Simone beat the plate like the plate do something?
I have a lot of aggression.
Okay, all right. You want to get out one more ounce of aggression?
Yes.
Just for good measure?
I don't think another egg can hold in there, but let's try.
Yeah, man, space there, man.
Well, let's do it.
Like, it's small though.
This is the finals.
Yeah.
This is for the record, not just the.
This is for the world record.
Just put a fork in it, because we're done here. Cheers. Ow.
Careful now.
It's on Fridays now. I'll be right back. Soon come. Good job. Thank you, Teach. You never just. And then we can eat these for two.
Exactly, because they're boiled eggs, so
Well, this
we
all
can
the
just have them for
breakfast.
breakfast.
So fun stop and breakfast.
Fun
Kill
stop
two
and
birds
the
with one
breakfast,
stone.
just like that.
But I need some
Well done, produce.
some salt and sugar. Then why you don't taking the break?
Yeah,
One day,
man,
can we
this
get
one
some
nice.